Yes. Hello everyone and welcome dear all in mathematics class here. And yes, today we will study the rotational symmetry. Okay. And we will also see the order of rotational symmetry for a square by rotating a square through an angle through one complete rotation. Okay. So let us start here, and first we will revise that rotational symmetry. We have understood that a figure is said to have rotational symmetry if it fits on to itself more than once during a complete rotation of 360 degree. Here I have shown the diagram of a square which is showing the original form, which is just like a framework only, that initial diagram, and this diagram will be rotated through different phases of angle, different angles in the rotation of one complete rotation, means total 360 degree rotation. So here I have shown that example that when this diagram is rotated through 90 degree, this position it can take when you will rotate it through a clockwise direction. Similarly, you will rotate it through 180 degree, then 270 degree and 360 degree. Okay. So all these four times it will take the original shape only: 90, 180, 270, and then you will take 360 degree. Okay. So this way we will get its order also, order of rotational symmetry also. So here we are going to see the order of rotational symmetry for a square here. First we will understand what is that order. So how many times the figure fits onto itself during one complete rotation, that will indicate the order of rotational symmetry here. So here the number of times a figure fits onto itself in one complete rotation of 360 degree is called the order of rotational symmetry. So now let us rotate a square through the given angles we have just said: 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree and 360 degree, and we will see that. So order of rotational symmetry of a square here is that rotate it through 90, 180, 270 and 360 degree. You will get that this is the original form. Nicely see that. Where are the vertices? Now their vertices is going to change its position because the diagram will rotate through the different angles in the multiple of 90, in the multiples of 90. Okay, unless it is not reaching 360 degree. So here that is the original form. Again you can watch, and then it is rotated through in the figure number 2, rotated through 90 degree, then rotated through 180 degree in the clockwise direction. Here we are rotating it, you can see the D vertex is coming here. When it is rotated in this direction, then clockwise it is rotated through. Again you can see the C vertex is coming after rotation here. Then the figure number 4, okay, where the B vertex rotated through 90 degree and it takes this position. Okay, and now in figure number 4 it is rotated through 270 degree, and then figure number 5 where the square is rotated through 360 degree, where the point you can see again the A point is coming at its original place only, where it is located in the original form of the figure. So now original, this way you know that 360 degree and the 0 degree rotation means they will be just similar only. The vertex position will be also same there. Okay, because 0 degree rotation and 180 degree rotation, the figure will come at the same position again. That's why here vertex position also you can match from the original figure, it is same. So what we have got here, that the figure rotated through the angles 90, 180, 270 and 360 degree, then it fits onto itself only, means its original shape it takes only. So it has the order of rotational symmetry 4. Its order is 4 here. So that you can say clearly each of the 4 times the figure fits onto itself. Each of the 4 times the figure fits onto its original shape, that so square has a rotational symmetry of order 4 here. Its order will be 4. Now you can solve exercise 14.3 easily. Question number that 4 to 7 based on the rotational symmetry concept that. Okay, and revise this topics nicely whatever I have explained here. Okay, so thank you all of you and have a nice day.